let's make a turmeric infused oil. It has so many benefits, and I hope you are willing to stick around in this video so that you can learn what they may be. So here we're just going to start off by measuring out our oil. Of course, we are using the beautiful jojoba oil. This is like liquid gold, and it goes back to centuries from when it was first used. One interesting fact that I found was that Native Americans used the oil from jojoba seeds to treat their skin wounds and sores. They created a medicinal salve from the extracted oil, and of course it was used to nourish the hair as well as provide moisture to the skin. I just love the fact that jojoba oil is a readily renewable resource, because once the oil is extracted from the plant's seeds, the plant still keeps growing and it lives for more than 100 years. Like, that to me was so amazing. And even as it's living, it's continuing to produce oil as it grows older. What's funny to me too is that it's a shrub, and it grows like in the deserts of Arizona or California and Mexico, even in Australia. Speaking of the deserts, looking at this turmeric has me thinking about sand. So, I don't know if many know, but turmeric is a plant in the ginger family. Most of us may know it as a spice, but it is a ready constant in Ayurvedic medicine. And this could be because the spice or plant has natural antibacterial properties that can be used to cleanse and nourish the skin effectively. Turmeric contains a substance called curcumin, and this has antioxidant and antimicrobial benefits. This is what makes it so amazing. For that reason, it can help to brighten the skin complexion. It can help with inflammation on the skin to calm it down. Also helps with preventing wounds from getting infected, and helps to control oiliness, which also combats acne. Many studies are still going on about turmeric, but it has been shown to be an effective treatment in even psoriasis and eczema. For instance, there are different pastes that you can mix together to create different masks or a salve for the skin. I will be sharing some things and some different mixtures to come as well, so I'm excited about that. By this point, I had been having the turmeric in the tea bag sit in the oil over heat for about 4 hours. And so now I'm just squeezing out the oil that I can get out of it. And I like to just continue letting you guys know about some of the benefits of jojoba oil as well. This oil has been so amazing. I've been using it in different formulas and even for my own personal skincare, and it's just so amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on it, especially if you have concerns with hyperpigmentation, which is the discoloration of the skin. So stay tuned for that. One of the main reasons that we love to use jojoba oil in quite a few of our formulations is because it mimics the sebum that is produced by the skin. Now, sebum is naturally produced by the sebaceous glands in our skin, which are the oil glands, but sometimes we can use harsh products on our skin and it can strip the natural sebum, and replenishing it with jojoba oil is such a wonder. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and please don't hesitate to ask any questions.